the outstanding achievements of notable organizations to celebrate their contributions to the community, and the dedicated and beautiful work of Muttville Senior Dog Rescue represents the best of San Francisco's values. And whereas Muttville Senior Dog Rescue, a non-profit organization, was proudly created and founded in San Francisco in 2007 and is dedicated to saving unwanted dogs over the age of 7. And whereas San Francisco is the home of many fostered and adopted senior dogs from Muttville Senior Dog Rescue. And whereas Muttville Senior Dog Rescue educates the community of San Francisco about saving the lives of unwanted senior dogs. And whereas Muttville has reached a milestone by placing, the 1,000th senior dog into their new San Francisco Forever home. Now, therefore, it be resolved that Edwin M. Lee, Mayor of the City and County of San Francisco, do hereby proclaim May 10th, 2011 as Muttville Senior Dog Rescue Day in San Francisco.
Yay!
So, I don't know how many dogs are able to march around. But I think it might be kind of fun at least to walk up and back. Think we can do that over to there and back? I think that would be, we could just go across the street together. And thank you all so much for coming, and thank you so much for celebrating this day with us.
Yay!